This is YFM-109MCA-H Auto metal fin welding machine by computer control for number 3 metal zipper. Now we are going to test this machine. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And there's a setting. The motor positioning delay time we set up to 45 milliseconds. The cooling delay time we set up to 10 milliseconds. For the password, A008, enter, and you can see the speed setting we set up to 1500. You can change the speed according to your request. Okay, but if you change the speed, there is the motor positioning delay time might be changed. Okay. For the ultrasonic control box, we use the level 1, and the welding time we set up the 0.5 for the metal number 3. Okay, we finished the machinery testing.